Today we will learn you how to get the blur effect on your TikTok videos. This is a really popular and famous effect that's trending effect at this time on TikTok, and if you want to get this effect to your TikTok videos, then watch this video until the very end to learn how. The first step is to make sure that you have CapCut installed on your device. CapCut is a free video editing app which is available for both iOS and Android, so make sure that you have it installed. Now open TikTok on your mobile phone, tap on TikTok search and in the search bar type CapCut Blur Template, or you want to type CapCut Trends. The goal here is to find the video on TikTok that has this effect, so check which keywords have this video in the search. Open a video, and then you want to tap on the button that says CapCut Try This Template. Now click on Use Template in CapCut. Wait a couple of seconds until it open the template in CapCut and tap Use Template. This will open your photo gallery, so choose a photo or video that you would like, and here is a preview of your video. You can just export it to your gallery or share it to TikTok. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Please subscribe and like our channel.